Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file for unemployment online in California. To start, gather all your essential documents, including your social security number, driver's license or state ID, and your complete employment history for the past 18 months. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and a valid email address. Understanding the basic eligibility criteria beforehand will save you time and ensure a smoother application process. This preparation is key to a successful claim. Once you have your documents ready, your next step is to visit the official California Employment Development Department website. Look for the Benefit Programs online section to register for a new account. You will need to provide some personal identifying information to set up your profile. Remember to create a strong, unique username and password to protect your sensitive data. This account will be your primary portal for managing your unemployment claim. Now it is time to complete the actual application. You will need to accurately provide your detailed work history, including the names and addresses of all employers for the past 18 months, along with your dates of employment and wages earned. Clearly state your reason for unemployment and disclose any severance or vacation pay you may have received. Take your time to carefully review all the information you have entered for accuracy before clicking the Submit button. After successfully submitting your online application, you will receive important documents and instructions from the EDD by mail within about 10 business days. It is crucial to certify for your benefits every 2 weeks to continue receiving payments. This can often be done online. Be prepared for potential phone interviews or requests for additional information from the department. Respond promptly to all communications to avoid delays in your benefit processing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.